Good afternoon, children. Today in this class, let us learn about factorization of algebraic expression when a binomial is a common factor. Here, today in this class, let us factorize by taking binomial as a common factor. Let us take one example to understand this. So, factorize example 1, factorize x plus 2 into y plus x plus 2 into x. In this example, we can understand clearly that x plus 2 is common to both the terms. We have here two terms. See here x plus 2 into y plus x plus 2 into x. We have here both terms. In these both terms, x plus 2 is common binomial. Here common is what here? Common factor is x plus 2 which is a common binomial. So let us take x plus 2 as a common factor. When I had taken x plus 2 as a common in this term, so we left with y plus here x plus 2 is a common, no? So we left with x. Therefore the answer is x plus 2 into x plus y. Let us solve the second example. Second example, 5x square minus 10xy minus 4x plus 8y. So let us solve this. I'll write as it is 5x square minus 10xy. Let us put in the bracket minus this both terms also. Let us put in the bracket minus 4x plus 8y. Let us put in the bracket. Next, in this both the terms, we understand that 5x is common. Understood? So let us take 5x as a common factor outside. Next, let us solve it by 5x is common. No? So we are left with only x minus 5 2s are 10. X already we had taken common. So we are left with only x, y. Next here, minus sign as it is. Here, x and y are both the variables are different, so we cannot take common factor. So we can take in the numerical coefficient, that is 4 and 8. For 4 and 8 common is 4. So we left with x plus into minus is minus. Next 4 2s are 8 2y. So next here again x minus 2y, here also x minus 2y. In both the terms we can see x minus 2y is common. So let us take x minus 2y as a common factor. So we left with 5x. Here x minus 2y has taken common, no? So we left with 5x minus here 4. Therefore the answer is x minus 2y into 5x minus 4. Next, let us solve the worksheet. Worksheet 6. Factorize the following expression. First one, x plus y into 2x plus 3y minus x plus y into x plus 1. Here, in these both the terms, we can see that x plus y is common to both the terms. So let us take outside x plus y as a common factor. So we left with, that is 2x plus 3y. Here minus in second term x plus 1. Put in the bracket. Put in the big bracket. Next, write as it is x plus y. Then remove the brackets. That is 2x plus 3y. Then minus x, plus into minus is minus 1. Next, x plus y as it is. Now 2x minus x is x plus 3y as it is minus 1. Therefore the answer is x plus y into x plus 3y minus 1. Next, let us solve the second one. Worksheet 6, second problem. 9x into 6x minus 5y minus 12x square into 6x minus 5y. Here in both the terms we can see 6 x minus 5y, 6x minus 5y as a common factor. So let us take 6x minus 5y as a common factor. So we left with 9x minus here 12x square. Okay, next write as it is 6x minus 5y. So in this we can take 3x as a common. So I'll take 3x as a common. So 3 3s are 9. X has taken common, minus sign as it is. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So 1x in x square, 1x has taken common. So left with only x. Therefore the answer is 6x minus 5y. We can write this as 3x this side. 3x into 6x minus 5y into 3 minus 4x. Okay, therefore the answer is 3x into this, we can write in this way also. 3x into 6x minus 5y into 3 minus 4x. Next, let us solve the next problem. Next, fourth one. A minus b whole square plus a minus b. Now in this problem we can take a minus b whole square. We can split this as a minus b into a minus b. Okay, next a minus b whole square we can split as a minus b into a minus b plus a minus b as it is put in the bracket. Next, here we can see a minus b as a common factor in both the terms. So let us take outside a minus b as a common factor. So we left with a minus b. So one we have taken common now. Another one we'll put in the bracket a minus b plus a minus b has taken common means only left with only 1. So 1. Therefore the answer is a minus b into a minus b plus 1. Next let us solve another one. Seventh one, 1 plus x plus x into y plus x square into y. Here we can group these terms. So I'll take in this term now I'll take 1 as common, because no common means we can take 1 as common. So we'll write as it is 1 plus x plus here in both the terms. So x and y as a common. So we left with here 1 plus here we have taken xy as a common now. So what will be remained here? X, only x. Next, here in both the terms 1 plus x is common. So I'll take 1 plus x as a common. So we left with here 1 plus here xy. Therefore the answer is 1 plus x into 1 plus xy. Next, let us solve the next one. Sixth one, 8 into 5x plus 9y plus 12 into 5x plus 9y. Here in this both the terms 5x plus 9y as a common. So let us take 5x plus 9y as common factor. So we left with 8. So 8 plus here 12. Again write as it is 5x plus 9y common. Here 8 plus 2 no. What is common means we can take here 4 as a common. 4 2s are 8 plus 4 3s are 12. See here 4 2s are 8 then 4 3s are 12. So here again write as it is 5x plus 9y common factor. Then 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. So write 5x plus 9y as it is. 4 5s are 20. So we can write this as 20 into 5x plus 9y. Therefore the answer is 20 into 5x plus 9y. So let us solve another one. Next one, 12th one, ax plus ay minus bx minus by. Let us group these terms. Ax plus ay one group and minus bx minus by one group. Here in both the terms I'll take a as a common, so we're left with x plus y. Here minus b as common, so we're left with x, minus into minus is plus y. Here in both the terms we can see x plus y as a common factor, so let us take outside x plus y as common, so left with a minus b. Here a minus b. Therefore the answer is x plus y into a minus b. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.